Imagine tiny power plants living inside your cells. We're talking about mitochondria. Microscopic structures are like batteries of our bodies, producing adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, the energy currency that keeps everything running smoothly. These little organelles are more than just energy generators. They're also involved in cell signaling, controlling processes like cell division, survival, and even how our cells respond to stress. Mitochondria have a fascinating origin story. Thanks to a process called endosymbiosis, they evolved from ancient bacterial cells that decided to move in and become part of our cells. They have their own mitochondrial DNA, which is like a mini blueprint separate from our nuclear DNA, making them quite unique and important. When mitochondria don't work properly, what we call mitochondrial dysfunction, it can lead to a host of health issues. These include mitochondrial diseases, which can affect many organs and systems. For example, you might see symptoms like muscle weakness, coordination problems, seizures, or even sensory issues like deafness or vision difficulties. Because mitochondria are vital in energy production, their dysfunction can impact high energy demanding areas of the brain, like the cortical, brainstem, or cerebellar regions, leading to neurodevelopmental and neurodegenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. It's not just about energy. Mitochondria also play a role in neuroendocrine functions, think hormone synthesis and regulation, as well as in immune responses. They help sense cellular stress and participate in the inflammatory processes. Mitochondrial dysfunction can contribute to neuropsychiatric disorders, including depression, anxiety, or even complex stress-related psychiatric conditions. Speaking of stress, our body's response to it involves a whole orchestra of physiological processes. When you encounter stress, whether from a tough day or chronic adversity, your body activates the sympathetic adrenal medullary axis. It's a fancy way of saying your adrenal glands release catecholamines, like adrenaline, preparing you to fight or flee. Meanwhile, the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis kicks in, releasing hormones like corticotropin-releasing factor, adrenocorticotropic hormone, and glucocorticoids. These hormones help mobilize energy, but can also impact mitochondrial function, especially during prolonged stress. Chronic stress exposure can lead to what we call allostatic load, wear and tear on your body from repeated stress responses. Interestingly, environmental factors like stress don't just influence immediate physiological responses, they can also affect epigenetic pathways. In the brain, stress can influence various cognitive domains. Adding another layer, our immune system interacts closely with mitochondria. Imagine this intricate biological pathway helping us maintain both mind and body in harmony.